Good afternoon to everyone, whenever you are, whether you are in London, Europe, Middle East, Asia, or in Australia. When you wake up, you would see this video. It's morning. Here in Brisbane, Australia, it's afternoon. Today is June 24, 2025. This is Wilhelmina Ford, and I had a buyer. I just finished having a conference or interview that he is a buyer. When I had a conference with him, I interviewed him thoroughly on how he got my number. He said he got my number on YouTube and he went through my platform on Facebook. Correct. Now, to all gold trader, small or big time spender, this gold is really very tricky if you don't have proper capital. If you're asking CIF cost insurance and freight, it wouldn't work because Africa has changed. The government has changed because there are so many smuggler and also the seller trying to smuggle into your country, and you as the buyer, you are trying to smuggle as well because of the profit. Now, may I explain to you thoroughly? I am not the owner of the gold. I am the extension of the seller. The seller hired me to tell the world that Africa is the main source of supply precious mineral. Nairobi, Kampala, Congo, Tanzania, Ghana, Mali, Sierra Leone, Gambia, and Conakry, and the rest of Africa. Now, I am not an agency. I'm not. You might think that I am an agency. No, I'm not. I am a freelancer. Now, the seller hired Wilhelmina in order to promote Africa. You are using Wilhelmina's services. My services is not for free. There is a cost. Okay? And the seller hired me to promote Africa. So I have all the documentation of the seller because I was in Africa. I only handle Sierra Leone, Mali, and Conakry. Now, last night and this morning, I have so many inquiries and none of them meet the criteria. Most of the buyers from Dubai. There is no gold in Dubai. 99.9 gold landed into Dubai coming from different part of Africa. Africa is 98% gold produced in different part of Africa. Now, I only handle Conakry, as I mentioned to you a few seconds ago. Mali have tons of gold. Gambia has gold. And Sierra Leone. Now, Conakry has changed. The government has changed because the government is also losing income. Most of the seller and the buyer trying to evade taxes. Now, if you use my services, subscribe this video and click below, give me a comment or give me a thumb whether you understand or not. Don't come to Wilhelmina if you have not read the full corporate offer on this video thoroughly. Because when you come for conference, meaning to say you are a buyer, you don't need to window shop comparing prices because I already given everyone a price. Our selling price, less 5%. Now, on my previous video, it says selling price less 8%. Yes, correct. Why I say that? Because when I travel, I do charge my extra service to assist you. That extra service is non-refundable. $20,000 US dollar to cover my transport, to cover my ticket, accommodation, and miscellaneous expenses to be with you in order to assist you. Now, before you pay $20,000, you have to read this full corporate offer on this video in front of you. subscribe, because time to time, when I upload the video, you will be notified. And give me a thumb if you comprehend. If you don't comprehend, it's okay. Knowledge is worth $1 million, you must remember. The seller didn't explain to me while he appointed me. I was the one who expanded in order for the buyer or the joker broker to comprehend. Now I'm no longer teaching people. I'm not here to teach people. This is business. You read thoroughly, paragraph by paragraph. And if you comprehend, meaning to say you are a buyer. If you don't comprehend, you are not a buyer, you are just a joker, floating around, collecting information. Information is already in front of you. Information worth $1 million. My services is also expensive because you are buying expensive item. Now you're gonna say, well, Amina, what is the price today? It depends. You are a businessman, you should know you have mobile phone, you have WhatsApp, you have internet. You can look at the world market price. The price of gold, it varies day to day. Now today, the price of gold is 3,347.78 per ounce. In dollars term is 107,645.81 on refined. That is gold bullion. There is a hallmark. We don't sell refined. My seller produced gold coming from his mine. He is selling unrefined to export. Then you as a gold trader, you buy unrefined, you are going to sell it to your own customer in order for you to get the profit. Unrefined means is 22 plus carats. The purity is from 95, 96, 97. It varies from bar to bar. Now you can refine this unrefined gold to different uses. That's not my business. It is your business, not mine. Our job is we have gold, you have the money, you can have the gold. Now, how are you able to get the gold? Read it, because I emphasize what necessary you comply in order for us to believe that you are really a buyer. Okay? And if you don't comprehend, maybe you are not really a buyer, you are a joker broker. Now, you're gonna say, well, Amina, it's very expensive. Correct. You are buying expensive item. This is not cheap. This is not banana. Even banana, there is a value. This gold is precious item. It's a world asset. There is a huge value. When you resell it, you make a profit. Now, going back to the price, our selling price less 5%. I mentioned that on my previous video that selling price less 8% tax included. Why? Because I am charging you my extra service. In fact, I threw back the 3%. Out of 5%, I added the 3% for you to make profit, in total of 8%. Now, if you're gonna buy gold on less 5%, because most of the seller is now smart, they would not give his gold very cheap. On 5%, your profit is $5,000, 387.33 per kilo. Selling price is 102, 359.21. Do you have $102,000 per kilo? We don't sell 1 kilo. We don't sell 2 kilos. There is a minimum. It's not worth it for you to travel. If you buy 1 kilo, 2 kilos, there is no profit. So, if you are really a serious buyer, make sure you have $1 million in your bank account to play with. Now, the reason why I mentioned that our selling price less 8%, because I was talking to my head office that let us give the buyer a leeway. Because of me, you are paying my extra service. That's why I threw back the 3% in total of 8%. When you resell that to your own customer, you can sell it 1.5 or 0.5. Lucky, you make a profit. If I'll give you 8%, your profit is 8,619.72. Yeah, $99,000, 126 per kilo. Now, tell me, how are you able to afford? You can afford if Wilhelmina will vouch you. You can afford, you can make profit, you can you can make profit every bar, continuous order. In a year's time, your profit could be 80%. You put your money in the bank, your term deposit interest is 3.5%. I'm telling you, or let's say 4%. Lucky if you get 4% out of your deposit. Buying gold, your profit every bar. If I've given you 99 or 95, don't bank on it because you have not convinced Wilhelmina. Wilhelmina will be the one to determine to renegotiate the price for you in order for you to get the profit because you're paying my extra. My extra service is non-refundable, whether you like it or not. Mhm. And if I travel with you, do not go behind my back. I have the buyer that I took him, he go behind my back, thinking that he will get more profit. You will get the profit if you and the seller agreed. Now the seller also changed his mind. He changed his mind. So when you place an order, make sure that you are really serious because when I negotiate the price for you, it would take only 1 week or 14 days on the price because the price goes up. When the price goes up, the seller changes. That is why we have to put that on the contract this time that the price it varies day to day and there is a chance to increase. So make sure that you are going to make sure that you are serious within 14 days. You are going to comply. Now, before you pay my travel cost, my 20,000 US dollar, non-refundable, whether success or non-success. This is what you have to do. Take time to listen to this video. Take time to read because I put the requirement you are going to comply. Number one, after you listen to this video, send me a copy of your business registration, your importation license, your passport copy, your certificate of money laundering, and the proof of fund, your bank statement. Now, you're scared. Don't be scared. Remove the account of your bank statement. We want to know if you have $1 million or more that you can afford to pay so that you would not waste my time. Mhm. Now, when I receive that, I will value that and I'm going to determine which seller that gold available. Either I'm going to put you in Sierra Leone, either I'm going to put you in Mali, Gambia, or Mali, or Conakry. Now, Conakry has changed. So, the government now has changed. So, you have to understand that this gold price goes up like a skyrocket. Now, recently, I went to my lawyer's office. I asked for the advice because there was a buyer that harassed me. I'm not scared of her intimidation. Now, when I consult my lawyer, I pay the services of the lawyer. And now you, as the buyer, you're also paying my services. Right. So there is no free in this world. So don't intimidate yourself and don't intimidate Wilhelmina because I've given you full knowledge what necessary requirement. If you deal with other joker broker, he would not explain to you like this. Even the seller would not explain. The seller will say, come, come, come. To me, I have to interview you. I have to guide you in order for you to make sure that you have $1 million, not $600,000 no more. We don't sell 10 kilos no more because the seller has also changed. Yeah, the seller says minimum order at least 20 kilos. There was a buyer that I really renegotiated the price and he got behind my back. Do not go behind my back because you are going to fail. And your $20,000 is non-refundable whether you like it or not. Is non-refundable. You mean to say I have to ask the airline ticket to refund my money? You mean to say the hotel that we stayed, I have to ask the hotel to refund because the transaction did not occur? You must think about it. That $20,000 is my extra. You're buying $1,000,000. So if you cannot afford to pay my extra, therefore you don't have the money. Therefore you have a shortfall of cash. Now, there are two options. I will gather your vital information and then I will submit this to my head office. I will determine which seller I'm going to place you. But if there is an issue, I'm very far. And still, I'm going to charge you, but not $20,000. Okay? When you come, I will discuss this with you. Okay? If you cannot afford $20,000, you can travel, but still I can charge you minimal for my time. My knowledge is worth $1,000,000, you must remember. Now, as I've said to you on my previous video, our selling price less 8%, right? Now today, I had a meeting with my head office. I was in Africa that the seller is no longer giving away. And I said to my seller, give the buyer a leeway so that the buyer understand the business and the buyer also needs a, a profit. Now, if you are dealing with different joker broker, you have to pay the agent of yours because we don't pay double commission. Instead, we give you a good negotiation price. Now, I have been interviewed a lot of fake buyers as well. Mm, they didn't meet the criteria. Now, Mr. Buyer, if you're watching this video, listen very carefully because I'm not here to teach you. You are a businessman. You should know that gold is precious. You should know that gold has the value. Now, on this video, subscribe and click below. Give me a thumb. Subscribe. Read the full corporate offer paragraph by paragraph. Now, I'm going to put the price today, which is June 24. The price is down at the moment. 3 days ago, last week, was 110 per kilo. Today, per kilo is 107,645. Don't bank on it because the price of gold goes up and down. Now, because of the tension of these two nations, Iran and Israel, the gold is really scarce. The seller is in control. He is watching the price of gold. So the price of gold is volatile. Now don't worry if it's volatile because I am here to renegotiate the price for you. Okay? Now at the moment, the skies is closed. There is no airline to fly to Africa. There is no airline to fly to Dubai because of this tension. Now, you are the buyer. You need to do the research. Don't depend on Wilhelmina. Wilhelmina is just to tell the world that Africa is the main source of supply. I am not here to teach you. I just expand it so that you will understand. So that when you do the research on YouTube, you found this video. I have different videos. I have hundreds of video already. So I warned everyone 3 to 4 years ago that the price of gold would increase, would change. The price of gold would be skyrocket, but you didn't listen to me. Now, I only update when I have an interview. Last night and today, I had an interview with different broker. 4 of them, 3 of them didn't meet the criteria. And if you are working for the buyer, you need to be transparent because when you create a group chat, I would like to ask, open your camera because I want to interview you and our conversation is recorded. My laptop, my system is automatic. Why? Because after our conversation, you will be given a copy. Now, if you muck around with Wilhelmina, if you intimidate Wilhelmina, yes, I will upload that on my YouTube in order for the world to know who you are. Now, you don't need to be scared because the interview is live so that the future buyer would know that gold is not easy. Okay? Gold is not cheap. There is a value. Now, Mr. Buyer, if you want to buy gold, be prepared. And if you want to bring gold in Dubai, be prepared. I know you registered your company. I know you are from Europe. I don't want to mention the country because you might be embarrassed. I don't want to mention your name because you might be embarrassed. Mhm. You don't need to be embarrassed if you're a buyer. My name are everywhere. My face are everywhere. I am helping you, but even though I'm helping you, I'm not giving you for free. When I travel, it's not for free. Take it or leave it. You have to pay for it. Mm. I went to my lawyer to come to their office. I was being charged. Lawyer has to charge me. I'm also charging you. Yeah, my services is not for free. Mm. So you must understand that you don't need to intimidate Wilhelmina. Just be transparent. Just be helpful and don't go behind my back. Because a minute you go behind my back, I will send you the video that one day I'm going to upload the video. So be careful because I am very tough. I'm not scared with you. Why you gonna be scared with the Wilhelmina when we have an interview? Why? That is for you. And I will give you a copy, but I will not publish until you muck around with Wilhelmina. Now, you're gonna say, oh, Wilhelmina is scam, is scam. Define me the word scam. Scam means lie. I did not lie. You did not read the full print. You didn't. It's very clear that Wilhelmina is charging her extra service. Pay attention to that. That extra service is non-refundable whether you like it or not. Because when I travel with you, I have to travel ahead of time. Before you travel, before you pay Wilhelmina, the contract would be exchanged. Yes, your information and the seller, you will be given. Then that is the time I'm going to invoice because you are going to be issued a landing visa to travel. I will determine which seller I'm going to take you. Mali, we have tons of gold. Sierra Leone, we have 100 kilos at the moment. Gambia, we have tons of gold. In Conakry, a little bit shaky because the government has changed. All the foreign mining license has been revoked because the foreign company didn't even remit the taxes and the royalty. And you as well, Mr. Buyer, and the seller didn't also remit because cutting corner is really very dangerous and you are going to fail. Yes, you are going to fail if you are not paying attention. Now, this video is really very clear. Now, I'm going to recap. Mr. Buyer, today we are on tension between two countries, Israel and Iran. There is no air travel at the moment. Even myself, we were being advised, refrain on traveling because of the tension in Middle East. Even in Dubai and Qatar, the air space is closed. Further notice. Now, when there is a tension, scarcity of supply. There's a saying, supply and demand determine the price. So, Mr. Baya, I know you are struggling at the moment. I know that you are eager to bring the gold to Dubai, but Dubai is closed at the moment. The airspace is closed. Wait until further notice. You search on the internet whether the airspace of Qatar, Middle East, Dubai, America, Africa, Asia, or in Europe is open. Why? Because they're scared. They might be hit by the missile. So, I am explaining to you so that you're gonna be aware. When there is a tension, the owner of the gold is keeping his gold. When the price goes up, that's the time they're gonna release it. But don't worry, because I know to renegotiate on your behalf. I'm throwing back, maybe I can give you 10%, maybe, but don't bank on it. When you resell it to 1.5%, you get a profit of 11%. I only charge you my extra. But if you cannot afford to pay my extra, 5%. Yes. Which one you like, Mr. Baya? 5% or more than 8%? Which one you like? Think about it. So this video is for everyone. Don't say that, oh, I don't want to deal with Wilhelmina. well, that is your problem, not mine. Whether you like it or not, you have to search the supply. And I'm the only person, my video are everywhere on my YouTube channel. Why? Because I'm trying to educate the potential buyer. I am. And you're lucky to find this video. I have my previous video. The price on the past was cheap. Now it's no longer. We are now in middle of 2025. I was been reading on Kitco that there is a tendency the price will turn to 4,000 per ounce now, on 4,000 per ounce, right? 4,000 per ounce times 32.15. This could be the price. I don't know if you can afford. Yeah. Now, on 2026, because I'm a current event reader, there would be another prediction, 5,000 per ounce, middle of 2026. I'm just giving you a warning. On 2026, 5,000 per ounce times 32.15. I don't know if you can afford this. I don't know. 160,750. So bank now, buy now, secure now, while you can still afford. I can give you a very good negotiation. At the end, you are the winner. The seller is not a winner. But don't worry, because I told my seller, I have a meeting last month, 2 hours, that let us give the buyer a leeway. Mr. Buyer, you don't need to be smart, because the real seller would not give you his gold cheap price, and we don't bring the gold to your destination. You have to pay for it. Now, I know you're scared. Let's say, when I'm on the ground, you can make a deposit, holding deposit. You don't need to transfer the whole amount. You inspect first the gold. You taste the gold, right? And then when you're happy, you make a down payment, a deposit. 20%, 30%. It depends on the negotiation on the table. Okay? So you don't need to be scared. All right? And then when the export documentation has been processed, you have to transfer the balance. Yeah, you don't need to rush, because sellers are very rough. Believe me. When you come to the office, the seller say, "Okay, I want the money on the table." Oh. That is why I said to you. And the seller, no, the buyer has to make a down payment, because the buyers are also scared, Mr. Seller. So this video is both buyers and seller. There are a lot of sellers that he changed his mind. Sellers are really, to call this, unpredictable. Their mind is not stable. Once the prices goes up, he also changed, because gold is money. Yeah, we cannot afford to give you money for free. Wilhelmina is giving you a little bit of leeway. I sacrifice, instead of 5%, I sacrifice to give you 8 to 10%. Yeah, I only charge you 20,000 US dollar for me to travel with you. If you cannot afford, that is your problem. There are two choices. Either you travel by yourself, I will arrange the contract, you will receive the contract, you will know who is the seller, because I'm going to create a group chat. Yeah, you can ask question. Some seller doesn't want to have a video call. Yeah, some seller, he doesn't want, because their English is not really good. They speak their language. So that's why they hired me to explain to you. Right. So you will receive the seller's mining license, export license, and taxes that he paid the tax to his government. So there is really a process. You cannot just cut corner. And you know, if you're using Huala, that is money laundering. Yeah, so when you have a contract, you need to inform your bank that you are going to transfer money into Africa. Why? Because your bank will start to wonder, Africa is a red flag of gold laundering as well. And you as the buyer, and if your money is dirty, you're gonna be required to produce certificate of money laundering that your money is clean. Last night, I had a buyer that he has money. And he doesn't want to apply for money laundering. I told him you have to deposit the money into your bank account. He has $1 million, but the money coming from corruption. uh, the money is from Africa. He wanted to buy gold, and I told him I cannot afford to lose my seller's license because my seller is really very careful. There are so many gold laundering and money laundering, dirty money in Africa floating around. So many, especially the big foreign mining company. They are expert on money laundering, but I'm not expert. So I'm just only warning you. Put your money in the bank, apply money laundering certificate, and you can apply that online. My buyer has a certificate of money laundering, 3 buyers, but he's still hesitant because of the tension of the Middle East, tension between Iran and Israel. So I told the buyer, take time, don't rush. You have already the paperwork. We'll wait and see. When the price goes up, don't blame yourself because I'm not the owner of the gold. I'm only a servant of the day. Now again, once again, when you pay, my extra service is non-refundable. Okay? Make sure you comply everything because I am going to comply you from the seller's point of view. The seller will also comply his mining license, export license, etc., etc. I will only invoice you when you understood, because once I invoice you, your landing visa would be issued by the seller, not mine. I don't need the visa because I'm Australian citizen. I will accompany you in order to help you to renegotiate the price because the seller also changed his mind. Yes, so that is the reason why I have to arrive the day before you arrive so that everything will be in place. But if you are on the ground, you window shop because thinking you can get more profit, you will get the profit when you follow the golden rules of the country. Now, don't blame me if the seller disagree on your negotiation on the table. Don't blame. I am gonna be with you to renegotiate on the table as well. But I have to explain to the seller that, hey, give the buyer a leeway. But you need to have $1 million, not $600,000 no more. The seller would not sell 10 kilos no more. There's a minimum 20,000 or 20 kilos or more. You are a good trader. You need to have a capital. You don't need to leverage because leverage sometimes you fall on the trap on leveraging. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good afternoon. When you wake up, I will upload this on my YouTube and also on my Facebook. Listen very carefully. Click below, subscribe, and give me a thumb because you are going to learn out of this video. You are. If you meet the criteria, at least you are aware. There's a saying, supply and demand determine the price. Knowledge is worth $1 million. There was a guy from Germany, his name is Philip, and he used to live in Conakry. And he said, well, Amina, your knowledge is not $1 million, it's $1 billion. You giving away a lot. I said, yes, I know, because I want to help the buyer. But these buyers are crooked. Yeah, you go behind my back. You don't need to be crooked. You need to communicate with me because I am going to find ways. But if you go behind my back and then you intimidate me, you would not go nowhere with Wilhelmina. Alright? So please, don't go behind my back. Listen to this video. If you meet the criteria, fine. If you don't meet the criteria, it's also fine. You can go somewhere else. There's so many fake offer. Go for it. Then you're waiting for disaster. Yes. Yes, there's so many fake offer. I'll tell you before I close. There was a guy from Paris and he registered his license in Dubai. And we issued him a landing visa. One for Mali and one for Conakry. So we exchanged. His uh, his credential is really superb. He was being offered to fly to Mali, I think last year, and he encountered disaster. Why? He was offered CIF cost insurance and freight. So the seller didn't comply properly. So they hand carry the gold. Now when you hand carry from Mali, you have to stop over few airport. They stop over in Ghana airport. So when you reach check-in, of course all the luggage must be on X-ray. So the custom noticed what is that on the box. So they open and he ordered 30 kilos and the seller put 5 kilos extra to make it 35 kilos. Bingo! There were been questions. So his gold was being seized. So they have to get out from the airport. They have to get in into Ghana and his gold was being seized further notice. Now he traveled with the seller with him because the seller traveled with him to Dubai because of 35 kilos. But on the paperwork is 30 kilos. Can you imagine that? So you as the buyer, you listen to the seller because seller as well is greedy. Both of you is greedy. So what happened? He lost his gold and he lost money. And then he called me. Well, Amina, can you apply to Mali to help me? I said, no, I cannot. I cannot. Your gold is already in the hand of Ghana government. What happened? Failure. How much he spent with the lawyer in Ghana and bribe? More than $60,000. Yes? Because that particular buyer was also greedy. Why you become greedy? Why not follow? He been following me for 3 years. And then he decided to go to Mali. Yeah, you can. If you watch this video, lucky you learn. And as I've said to you, knowledge is most important. No seller is giving you this kind of knowledge. None whatsoever. You're just lucky that Walamina is very kind and generous. Knowledge. I'm not supposed to give you my knowledge, but I feel sorry for you because I want to help both buyers and sellers, but sellers sometimes is also hard-headed. Yes, and you as the buyer, if you're crook, well, you encounter disaster, I'm telling you. So anyway, nice talking to you. Nice listening to my video. If you are a buyer, come for conference. When you come for conference, please do not say hi, hello, because I'm going to reject you. Introduce yourself properly. Hi, Wilhelmina. I watch your YouTube. I've been through on Facebook. I am the buyer. I don't deal with chain of joker broker no more. What a waste of time. I have been rejected hundreds and hundreds of joker broker and we don't pay double commission. We don't. Instead, we give the buyer a good negotiation price. Once again, take time, listen to this video. Don't come if you don't have $1,000,000. Don't. All right? Thank you very much. Have a nice day.